Sometimes you just want to do something extraordinary. So I decided to make this ruffled crochet skate. I know you're going to love it. I'm Toria and I love crocheting. I'm a nurse midwife, but I do crochet at my spare time. Join me today as we make this beautiful crochet skirt. I know you're going to love it. For this project, I'll be making use of 3 different colors and shades of yarn. 2.5mm crochet hook, row counter, stitch marker, and my stopper. So now let's begin. In order to begin, make a slip knot, then chain 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So into the 9th stitch, make a double crochet. This is 12 11 10 9. So continue to make double crochet until you've got into the end of the row. It's very simple. At the end of the row, chain 1 2 3. This stands as your first double crochet. Now flip your work. You'll be making into the back loops only. So continue making it to the back loops until you've gotten to the end of the row. I'm going to meet you there. Chain 3 1 2 3. This stands as the first double crochet. So flip your work into the back loops only. Make double crochet. We are going to continue this pattern until we've gone around just wide enough to go around your client's waist. So just continue making. I'll meet you when I'm done for the next step. When you've gotten the desired length of your choice, this is what I have. You start making the body. So chain 1 2 3. This stands as your double crochet. So I'll be making. So for this, the second row, in this row I'll be making a gradual increase. Just make the increase very gradually. So to every 7th stitch I make, I'll just gradually increase it. So continue this until you've gone around your work. I'll meet you later. So when you've gotten to the end of the row, join your work, and then for me, I've gotten the length, I'll be the width that I wanted, so I'll just continue making normal double crochet all through. But this is what I'm doing to achieve the spaced pattern I'm making. Chain 1 2 3. This starts as my first double crochet. Then make 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then chain 1. So I prefer making tight chain stitch, then skip 1 stitch to the next stitch, make a double crochet directly into the stitch, chain 1 2, skip 1 stitch to the next, make 3 double crochet, So you repeat this pattern until you've gotten to the end of the row. So at the end of the row, when you're done, you just connect to the first stitch. So for the subsequent row, you chain 1, 2, 3, then you're going to be making double crochet into each of the stitches, but this is how I prefer to make mine. One stitch, 2, then into these 2 chain stitches I'll just make 2 double crochet while I make directly into these 2. I'll make directly into here, then to the next stitch opening I make a double crochet. So you find out that from here to here it's equivalent to 4 and it's still 4 stitches. So to the next chain stitch, go ahead and make 2 double crochet. So you're going to continue until you've gone around. Continue this pattern until you've gotten your desired length. So this is my desired length of the skirt. So next I'll be making my ruffle. In order to make my ruffles, I'm changing my yarn color. So directly into where I should have stopped, I'll just attach my yarn. So chain 3 starts as your first double crochet, then directly into the same stitch make a double crochet. So it depends on how you want your ruffle to be. Me, into each stitch I'll just prefer to make 2 double crochet into each of the chain stitches. That's always better for me, and I prefer making directly into the stitch and not into the loops. So here, I stopped. Here there is a 2 chain stitch where I was supposed to make 2. I'll just double it into 4. So we're going to repeat this until we've gone all around. I will definitely meet you at the end of my row.